He found his chocolate. Here in SF.
20 years they finally here, but ridiculous.
439 for each.
For each.
England chocolate to na his really his favorite.
70 pesos that would be in England.
400 ang isa na.
I couldn't eat it just for the cost of it.
Sa England, 1 pound lang to. As in, parang 70 pesos. Grabe yung price. 5 times dito sa Pinas. Eto din, 99 yung mga paborito niyang chocolate from England nandito na. Pero B, ang mahal. So, never mind. Never mind. You wait when you go back to England. Eto din, oh. Favorite ng mga anak ko to dun sa England, oh. Mura lang to doon, guys. Sa England, nasa mga 1 pound lang yan. Eto, mahal, oh. 3 pounds.